IR236 installation instructions. Before installation, please check the complete set of accessories according to the list and read the instructions carefully to understand the product deployment requirements. Camera head installation. Firstly, install the rod base of the camera head. Assemble chassis and chassis adapter and counterweight fasten with screws. Insert the thicker support rod into the chassis adapter. Fasten with screws. Note that the holes are facing down. Then use tape to fix 2 long network cables and 1 power cable. Pass them through the holes in the chassis adapter. Put on the telescopic rod connector. Pay attention to the direction of the connector. The position of the large screw is up. From the upper telescopic rod. Position the upper telescopic rod in the 6th hole with the set screw. Measure to confirm the height. Let's install the connector again. Fasten the screws as shown. Next, connect the head. Remove the tape from the network cable and power cable. Insert the wire into the card slot interface of the camera head. Power cord in the middle and network cable on both sides. Fasten the camera head and the vertical rod and tighten with screws. Note that there are 2 shims between the nose and the support rod. Camera head is installed. Black body installation. The black body spool base is installed in the same way as the camera head. Pass the power cord through the base. Put on the telescopic rod connector. From the upper telescopic rod. Position the upper telescopic rod in the 4th hole with the set screw. As before, tighten the telescopic connection. Next, install the black body head and adapter. Fasten with screws. Connect the black body head and pull. Fasten with screws. Plug in the black body power connector and turn on the switch. Black body installed. Computer system installation. After the host part is out of the box, it includes the host monitor, power adapter, speakers, keyboard and mouse set, network cable, switch, VGA cable, VGA to HDMI cable. We have 3 adapters in total. The first is our monitor adapter 19V. And the second is the head adapter 12V. The power ports of these 2 adapters are the same. We must pay attention to distinguish them. Please note, the adapter of the camera head has a separate power cord. The third is the adapter of the switch, which is a small 5V adapter. The first step is to connect the adapter of the monitor. The second step is to connect the adapter of the head to the circular connector. And the power supply of the head is also a circular connector. And then connect to the power of our head. The third step is to connect the computer chassis power. And then the switch power adapter. Speaker installation. An audio cable, not the audio output port. A USB power cable. Next, install VGA video cable. Connect one end of the VGA cable to the VGA to HDMI cable. And then connect one end of the HDMI cable to the computer host, and the other end to the monitor. Connect the mouse and keyboard to the host USB interface. Finally, install the connection between the switch and the network cable. Connect the long network cables from the machine head to the switch. And connect the other short network cable to the switch and the computer host. The entire system is installed.